Hi guys, so today we are going to discuss about a topic called e-commerce. So e-commerce is one of the trending way of business in throughout the world. So if you want to do any business, so you can do with e-commerce. So let us see in deep into the topic called e-commerce. So myself VB Karnamurthy, working as an associate professor in Wings Business School Tirupati. So today we are going to see about the topic. So let us go for the introduction first. So e-commerce means using the internet and the web for business transactions, commercial transactions, which typically involves an exchange of value across organizational and individual boundaries in return for service and products and services. If you want to do any services or products, if you want to sell in the website, you can do with the help of e-commerce, because e-commerce is acting as a mediator between buyer and a seller. If anything you want to sell, or if any product you want to sell, or if any service you want to provide, you can provide with e-commerce. So that type of benefits are going to be provided by e-commerce in recent days. Here we focus on digitally enabled commercial transactions among organizations and individuals. So meaning, the term e-commerce, electronic commerce or e-commerce refers to any sort of business transaction that involves the transfer of information through the internet. So it is acting as a mediator. If any information is required to the buyer or seller, this e-commerce will definitely give the proper information to the required parties. So it is acting as a mediator to transfer of information with the help of internets. By definition, it covers a variety of business activity which use internet as a platform to either information exchange or monetary transaction, or both at times. So if you can go with the any type of activity you can use with the internet, you can perform and you can transfer the information if it is going to be required by the any of the parties. So objectives of e-commerce. So development of business relationship. So the ultimate objective of e-commerce is developing of business relation. So at present the society is moving with very fast developments in technology. Because of that, we definitely want to be matched with that technology. That's why this e-commerce is going to be introduced, and it is going to be a revolutionary business in recent days. So a lot of developments are going to be happening in business with e-commerce in recent days. So better customer service. The customers can easily communicate their problems with any of the customer care centers. Then they can easily note down the problem of the customer, and they can easily rectify the customer's problem within 24 hours. So that type of service will also be given by e-commerce in recent days. Getting more customers. So if we are providing online services to the customers, then the referrals will also be get increased. Through that, we are going to get more number of customers for our business also. Features of e-commerce. So e-commerce is technology enabled. So you know that without technology we cannot do e-commerce. So e-commerce is 100% technology enabled business. So technology mediated. So technology is definitely acting as a mediator between buyer and seller. So without technology we cannot do any business with e-commerce. So technology is the mediator between buyer and seller. So universality. So you can do business anywhere in the world, not only restricted to particular area or a place or a locality. It is going to do throughout the world. So you can do online business throughout the world. So intercommunication. What is meant by intercommunication? You can easily communicate between buyer and a seller. So this is acting as a mediator. So if you want to transfer any information, you can easily transfer. If you want to get any information, you can easily get the information also. Delivery of information. The delivery of information will also be prompt. So if it is going to be successful, you are going to receive the message within fraction of minutes. If it is going to be rejected, it is also you can also get the information that the process of your information is going to be get rejected. So at a time, the delivery of information will also be get processed. So electronic completion of business process. You can see that electronic completion of business process. If you are having any, if you want any business process information, you can collect easily through the electronic completion. So that is going to be very helpful. Virtual communities. You can easily create the virtual communities with the help of e-commerce. So interdisciplinary in nature. So it is interdisciplinary in nature. And also it is going to be customization. So how you want to show your website to the customer, you can create with our own. So this is customized by the company itself. So types of e-commerce, these are the types of e-commerce: business to business. So you can create the e-commerce software with we can easily communicate from one business person to communicate with another business person. That is also helpful with the help of e-commerce. And one business person can communicate with the customer. That is also helpful with the help of e-commerce. And consumer to consumer will also be possible with the help of e-commerce. And consumer to business, if consumer want to talk with the business, then also this e-commerce will be helpful. Consumer to administration, so consumer can also communicate his ideas and his requirements with administration, also be possible. And business to administration, if business is having any problem regarding administration, or administration want any information from business, they can easily communicate the information with the help of e-commerce. So we have completed the topic now. So thank you.